tell me about Ned Kelly. What am I holding?
You're holding the 24 scale Ned Kelly.
Hearns Workshop exclusive model.
This is a Hearns model.
Yep.
Made in-house by Hearns Hobbies, designed by us, not by me. I've helped get it out there to you guys, but I haven't designed him.
Made right here in
Australia. Made in Hearns in Australia.
That's right.
It's a beautiful design. I've been lucky enough to model the first one myself.
Yes.
The 24 scale one. 35th scale one I didn't do because I didn't have anything to do with it. And then 87 was done before I was here. So that was the first little iteration we had. We're like, oh, well, just get some small detail. Now up to 24.
He's little.
He is tiny.
Is that so? Here we have them here.
This is just some like.
And I'm glad that you did them black because we'll be able to see them on the overhead, right?
Oh, that's true. I have kind of.
You've kind of done that for us, which is good. It's fun. It's good that you've finally done something for us. No.
Yeah. Do you like my finger?
Well, that's what she said.
That's what he said. If you're asking, Thunder
Turbo. Here you go. Look. There's a cute little Ned.
There's two cute little Neds. Two Neds in a pod, right?
That's a lot of zoom.
So that's 80.
That's a ton of zoom. Hang on. Well, I wanted to see the detail. Go back in. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
now there's nothing but finger. Whoop. They're quite hardy. Aren't they?
Right?
They don't break easy.
They don't. No, the guns do.
Well, look at the size. It's
so we've supplied you
smaller than the human hair.
That's right. Hang on, I think that worked. No, it didn't work.
Didn't work. What are you trying to do? I'm not sure what you're trying to do.
No. Go back to the.
Oh, did you want to put us in a little box?
Yeah, put him in the corner in a box.
I'll put you in a little box. In a box.
What's in a box?
Here you go. So that is
very high
187th Ned.
That is 187th Ned. As you can see, this one
commonly referred to as HO.
Yeah.
Is that HO or double?
It's designed for trains. It's designed for trains.
Yep.
They're only like a couple different in the scale.
And then here comes look, big Ned.
Big Ned. No, that's medium Ned.
Medium Ned.
Medium Ned. It can go out a bit.
You have to go out a bit. I think. That's medium Ned.
That's medium Ned.
And he's 1/35th.
Can you imagine having that full beard under here?
So he's designed to go with your
armor,
right?
Your armor.
All your military and armor stuff. So you could recreate something from
your wagons,
Beechworth, the Glenrowan, really easily.
Albury. I don't know why.
Are we just saying country towns?
Yeah.
Just in general.
Yeah.
There you go. And then you have Big Ned.
Big Ned. That's the one you get in a box.
He's got no arms.
No, he's armless.
Is that how he comes?
Yes. We give you arms.
You give you arms.
We give you arms and a cape and some spare guns.
Does his head come on?
No, yeah, his head is molded on.
Yep.
So that's what you get pretty much.
He's got a nice belt.
Doesn't he?
It's sort of like Batman.
He's He's full on Ned, right?
Look at the detail. I'm going to go to Zoomtown. Oof.
You'll be able to see it at Expo. You can come and buy one.
Look at all the
folds.
Look at all the folds and the texture.
It's a modeler's dream,
isn't it?
You just get all this stuff to go off of, and he has
and the armor plating is actually textured as well.
Oh no, I think that's just print lines.
That's amazing. That's amazing. No, it's not.
And that's just with some acrylic primer, so that doesn't even fill it.
There you go. Look at that. I'm impressed. Ned's
level. That's him in the box.
So there's.
We've only got one left.
187th. Well, that's okay. I'm just talking about it. Yeah. 187th. 135th.
Yep.
124th.
That's right. He's back.
And these will be with us at Model Expo.
Yes, we'll have 24 and 35.
Oh, we're taking 24. We're taking 35s.
Yes.
All right.
We're taking 6 35s.
Only 6.
Only 6. And that's a pretty.
I would call that exclusive. 6 is an exclusive number.
Absolutely.
We're not taking 600. We're not taking 6,000. We're taking 6.
6. Not 3.
I think somebody's going to come and gobble them all at once.